Hello, I wanted to show you a couple more things that I have discovered with the phone. So if you want to call somebody or they've called you and you want to place them on hold, you're going to use this pause button. So let me call myself with my cell phone. *67 blocks the number. So if you're calling students, make sure you *67 too. Hello. Wah. Hey Holly, what's up? Okay. Pause. You can see up here, there's a yellow flashy pause button. I can even hang up the phone and it's still paused. And on my cell phone, I don't hear any elevator music, so you're cool. It's just no static, nothing. To pick it back up, you can pick up the phone if you'd like, or you can put it on speaker and select the line. And now I'm back to the call. If you want to mute, now I don't hear myself on my cell phone. Unmute. Here's another cool thing. Let's go back to what I showed you last time. Go back in time. I'm gonna say, oh, Angela called me. Or actually, I missed a call from Kim. If I want to call that person back and I don't know their extension, you're going to make sure that you go over, let me start over here. You're gonna click the back button, select the person that you want to call, and I don't know Angela's extension offhand. That's not true, but we're gonna say that. All I have to do is pick it up and it calls Angela. Another way to do that is to arrow over and just select it, and then it will call her on speaker. But I don't want to bother her anymore because I just called her twice in this video. Anyway, I hope that those two things are helpful, especially if you don't know the extension of the person that you've missed the call from.